In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an email message to multiple contacts in Gmail quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick if you need to message a team, friends, clients, or a group of people all at once without sending separate emails one by one. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar, or by opening your Gmail account if you're already signed in. Once Gmail loads, look to the top left corner and click the Compose button to start a new email. A new message window will appear, and this is where you'll add all of your recipients. In the To field, you can type multiple email addresses separated by commas. For example, you can enter one address, then a comma, then the next address, and continue adding as many people as you need. Gmail will recognize each email address as a separate recipient. If you don't want to type each address manually, you can also click inside the To field and select contacts from your Google Contacts list. This is really convenient if you already have people saved in your account, because you can pick multiple contacts without having to remember every email address. Just click the names you want to include, and Gmail will add them for you. After that, move down to the subject line and enter a clear subject for your email. Make sure it tells recipients what the message is about so they know what to expect before opening it. Then type your message in the body of the email. You can write a short note, a detailed update, or whatever information you want to share with the group. Take a moment to review the addresses, subject, and message to make sure everything looks correct before sending. When you're ready, click the Send button, and Gmail will deliver the message to everyone on your list at the same time. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to send an email message to multiple contacts in Gmail using both manual email entry and your Google Contacts list. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to reach more than one person at once. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.